Hi, today we're going to see how we can track campaign expenses tracker in the Notion template. So this is the template that we are going to see today and we're going to understand how we can track up campaign expenses. Before we get started, let me quickly turn off my webcam so that you can completely get a view of the screen. Now in the campaign expenses tracker, first of all, we have an expenses table at the bottom, which shows the different expenses that we're going to incur for related to campaigning. Okay. We have a date column over here. So once you click on this, you can select a specific date of your choice. And then you can define the particular name of the expense that you're going to incur. Then you can select the category of the expense. So for the category part, we have the categories listed at the top. And under each category, we can see the budgeted expense that we have set and the actual expenses that we have incurred. If you want to change this budgeted expense as per the requirement, simply type in the value. It will automatically change and it will also show the percentage of actual expenses in relation to the budgeted expense. Now, for changing any particular category, simply click on this pencil icon and you can change the particular category as per your choice. And if you wish to add any new category, simply click on this new over here and you can add a new category over here and then define the budgeted amount as per the requirement. Okay. So once this is done, simply click on this pencil icon, again enter the budgeted expense amount and you can proceed with the rest of the things as we talked about. For selecting a particular category, simply click on this and you can choose a particular category from the drop down that is available for a use case. And finally, we have a summary section which shows the summary of whatever expenses we have incurred. So we can see the total budgeted expense, the actual expenses incurred, which is nothing but the sum of all these expenses, the difference between the both, and the percentage of actual expense in compared to the budgeted expense. So first of all, you can define the category. You can update the budget expense from here by clicking on this and defining the expense. And the actual expenses are being pulled from this table that we have at the bottom. This template is customizable as per your requirement. If you need to customize this further, please feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and we'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Bye bye.